Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Swiss theorem. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about Swiss theorem. So we know that the range of cosine n to the power of 5 that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Next, I will put about n over 1 plus n squared for the both sides. Next, we can put the limit for the both sides. Now, we consider about this one and this one. About this one, we can put n squared on numerator and denominator. This one we have number 1. This one we have 1 over n. When n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one. And we got about 0. Similar for this one. This one you got about 0. Now, this one we have 0. This one we have 0. So that means in the middle, this one should be equals to number 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.